Hello, we will study heart. What is heart? Heart is a part of circulatory system. What is circulatory system? Circulatory system comprises of three units. What are they? They are blood vessels and heart. We have two types of blood vessels. What are they? Arteries and veins. Arteries carries blood away from the heart and veins carry blood towards the heart. Veins carry deoxygenated blood and arteries carries oxygenated blood. What is heart? What we will study about heart? I will tell you what is heart. What are the functions of heart? Where is heart located? What is the structure and the pumping of heart? What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ. It consists of cardiac muscles. Its size is like a clenched fist of human. Where is heart located? Heart is located inside the thoracic cavity. Where is thoracic cavity? Thoracic cavity is situated inside the rib cage, in the chest. So heart is located between the rib cage. Rib cage protects the heart from the wear and tear of the heart. It is a muscular organ, so it needs to be very well protected. So our rib cage protects the heart. What are the functions of heart? Heart basically function that it circulates the blood throughout the body. It circulates blood to the whole body. Its main function is that only. If heart stop its function, the humans will die. Now we will come to structure. What is the structure of heart? Heart consists of 4 chambers. What are the 4 chambers of heart? It is right atrium and right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. We have right side and the left side of heart, right atrium and right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. These both sides of heart is divided by septum. And the upper and lower chambers of heart is divided by valves. These are valves in between. What is the function of valves? Valves prevent the backflow of blood so that the intermixing of blood does not take place. Now, how this heart works, how it helps in pumping of blood. We have deoxygenated blood inside our whole body. Deoxygenated blood from the body travels through vena cava to the right atrium. From the right atrium, the blood needs to be oxygenated. When the deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium expands, and for oxygenation it needs to be traveled in the lungs, so the blood transfer to the right ventricle. When the blood travels to the right ventricle, the right atrium contracts and the right ventricle expands. Then from the right ventricle, the blood travels to the lungs from pulmonary artery. When the blood travels to the pulmonary artery to lungs, the right ventricle contracts. From the lungs, oxygen is added to the blood and the blood is travel from the pulmonary vein to our left atrium, and the left atrium expands. From the left atrium, from the heart, the blood needs to be traveled to the whole body so that oxygenated blood goes into the body. So from the left atrium, blood travels to the left ventricle through these valves, and the valves get closed. So these valves prevent the backflow of blood so that the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, or the blood which needs to be travel in the whole body, does not go back. Okay, so when the left ventricle receives blood from the left atrium, the left atrium contracts, and the portion of the heart which is receiving the blood, it expands, and from the left ventricle it goes from the main artery to our different body organs. So the left ventricle then contracts. So this contraction and relaxation creates the human heartbeat. Okay, so this contraction and relaxation is mainly responsible for the heart beating. Thank you.